Which traditional Irish tunes are popular in local sessions? Imagine walking into a cozy pub in Ireland, the air filled with lively melodies and rhythmic clapping. You might wonder which tunes are the heartbeat of these gatherings. Well, many tunes are played repeatedly because they are loved by musicians and listeners alike. These tunes are the foundation of Irish music sessions, and knowing them can make your experience much richer. The most common tunes include lively reels like Cooley's Reel, which gets everyone tapping their feet. Drowsy Maggie is another reel known for its quick tempo and energetic feel. For beginners, the Kesh Jig is a favorite because of its simple, catchy rhythm. Banish Misfortune is a traditional jig with a memorable melody that often gets played in sets. The Silver Spear is a reel that many musicians recognize instantly, often played with a driving rhythm. St. Anne's Reel is popular for its strong beat, making it easy for dancers and listeners to follow. The Butterfly is a reel that adds a bright, cheerful tone to sessions, while the Lilting Banshee is known for its catchy tune that sticks in your mind. Some tunes are more emotional, like The Wind That Shakes the Barley, which is played slowly to evoke feelings of longing or nostalgia. Gravel Walk is a lively reel that often appears in many sessions, and Congress Reel is a fast-paced tune that showcases the skill of musicians. Saddle the Pony is another reel that is a regular feature, with a lively rhythm perfect for dancing. The Blarney Pilgrim is a jig with a distinctive rhythm that makes it stand out. The Maid Behind the Bar is a reel that many players enjoy for its lively pace. I Buried My Wife and Danced on Her Grave has a humorous title but is played with a quick, spirited melody. A Fig for a Kiss is a reel that fits well into any session. Ann Morrison's Jig is a favorite among jig lovers. Out on the Ocean is a reel that captures the spirit of the sea, often played with a steady, flowing rhythm. The Musical Priest is another reel that many musicians enjoy, and The Kid on the Mountain is well known for its lively tune. These tunes are part of a larger pool of around 400 to 500 melodies that are played across Ireland and in Irish communities worldwide. The exact tunes can vary depending on the region or the session, but these are some of the most loved and recognized. In a typical session, musicians often play sets of 3 tunes, mixing jigs and reels, and repeat them to give everyone a chance to join in. Knowing these tunes helps you understand the language of Irish music and makes participating more fun. When you visit a pub or community gathering in Ireland, hearing these tunes live is a true taste of Irish culture. Musicians often improvise and add their own flair, which keeps the music fresh and exciting. If you want to join in or just enjoy the music more, learning a few of these tunes beforehand can make your experience more enjoyable. It's a wonderful way to connect with Irish tradition and feel part of the lively, communal spirit that makes Irish music sessions so special.